What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto Time. So what a day in the crypto markets today. Almost everything down by nearly 20%. I believe Bitcoin touched about 5.4 today, which is the lowest that it's ever been in 2018. Believe that or not, I know it's been a really rough year, but today, November 14th, it hit the lowest price point it has in all of 2018. So that's really saying something. Now, I know a lot of people are confused as to why this is happening or what's going on to cause the market to crash this severely. And for me, I think it's a couple different reasons. I'm going to list those off to you guys in a second. But usually when something like this happens, when this severe of a crash, it's a culmination of a couple different aspects. So the first one I want to talk about is Binance going down for maintenance. Today on November 14th, they went down for maintenance for about 8 hours. So no trading could happen on Binance. I believe they are now out of maintenance, so you can trade again. But I do believe that that was a contributing factor, but that's probably the least contributing factor. We're going to go by importance in my opinion. So the second one, and this one's a little more personal, is the fact that I don't think there's a lot of new money coming into crypto to stop crashes like this. And I do think we're going to recover, and we're probably going to trade sideways until BACT releases or some kind of news about BACT comes out in December. But I think so many people were washed out from the highs that we hit in 2017 and losing money all the way down, that those people look at the market now, see how much money they would have lost or would continue to lose, and don't really want to enter. I think a lot of people are scared of the crypto market. It's had a lot of bad press recently in terms of scams and ICO regulation. So I think one of the biggest problems, and again, this is more of a personal one, is that there's really not a lot of interest and no new money coming into the market to stop things like this or for people to see this as a buying opportunity. It's just the people who are involved in crypto either selling or buying at these kind of levels. So that's the second reason. And now the third reason, and this one's kind of a little more, I don't want to say far-fetched because it's definitely believable, but the source I got this from was something that Superman tweeted out, a screenshot or like a snippet of an article. So take this for what you will. But it says that Bitcoin Cash Fork, which is the whole thing with Bitcoin Cash forking to Bitcoin Cash Satoshi's version or vision, whatever the heck that name is. I haven't even been following that news because it's just so ridiculous. But it says Bitcoin Cash Fork has become prestige game for Craig Wright, Roger Ver, and Jihan Wu. What they're essentially trying to do is control mining power on November 15th when the hard fork takes place, which is tomorrow. It says Craig Wright is openly threatening mining farms and miners with crashing Bitcoin's price if they don't support their side. So Craig Wright is basically blackmailing these mining companies and these mining farms to support Bitcoin Cash Satoshi's vision or Satoshi's version, whatever it is, or else he's going to crash the Bitcoin price. And as we're seeing today, there is a huge crash in Bitcoin. Now, I don't know, how truthful this is and if he actually is crashing the price or even if he has the amount of Bitcoin to do that. But it goes on to say investing in mining community is caught in the crossfire between two whale groups. Currently, sell-off is directly connected to who gets to keep control for Bitcoin Cash after the fork. Stay tuned for the next 48 hours. So they're saying a lot's going to be going down in the next 48 hours in terms of this situation. Again, I don't know how truthful this is or if he actually does. I'm sure Roger Ver has quite the stash of Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. In terms of Craig Wright, I really don't know how much he has or if he has enough to affect the market this severely. But the timing of this is definitely interesting to say the least. Again, I don't know how credible this is. Superman hasn't been the most credible source in the past, but take it for what you will. So those are my three reasons I think is why the crypto market is crashing today. New money or lack of new money, the Binance maintenance, and this whole Bitcoin Cash hard fork, Satoshi's vision version, whatever it is. So let me know what you guys think about this. Do you agree with what I said? Do you think there are even more reasons? Are there less reasons? Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. And until the next video, guys, see ya.